Hello, consumer family. Well, we start the next chapter today, chapter 13, and we start with budgeting. And it says here in the first part, your first step towards managing your money is to keep an accurate record of how you spend your money. Simply keep a notepad in a convenient place where you spend some time daily. Record any expenditures on the day that you make them. At the end of the month, you can group them and total them. If you keep a record of monthly expenditures for 3 months to a year, you will be in position to evaluate your spending habits. I'm a big believer in budgets because if you stick to them, you don't spend money as foolishly. Um, so keep that in mind. Tracking your cost, seeing when things go up, when they go down, tends to help you save money down the road. So it's a really good habit at your age to start doing this. So the first part is asking us for food for the month of January, February, and March. What was our 3 month average? Well, what we basically do is to find the average, you're basically going to add the amounts up. When I add these up, I get 722. Then I'm going to divide it by the number of months, 3. And when I do that, I get $240 and 67 cents was the average amount I spent on food per month. Okay, let's try one more. Utilities. If I add these together, right? When I add them together, I get $430. When I divide that by 3, it comes out to be $143.33. Okay, so 143.33. So do me a favor, go ahead and do clothing through personal expenses and come back and check your answers. All right, so welcome back. For number 3, it would be $104. Number 4 would be 53.33. 5 would be 71.67. 6 would be 85. 7 would be 61.67. Okay. So now, some people when they budget for vacations and stuff like that, if you don't have the whole amount of money in your bank account for vacations, car insurance, life insurance, one way to do it is to budget how much you should save per month for that expense, right? So if I want to go on a vacation and I know that vacation costs 2,750, how much should I put in the budget each month, right, to pay that off over 12 months? Well, if I take the 2,750 divided by 12, I should put away $229.17 per month. Life insurance. I'm basically going to take 563 divided by 12 and get $49.92 right per month. Okay, and number 10, I'm going to basically take the 1,250 divided by 12 to get $104.17. Okay, so now Jimmy Butler, hopefully you guys know who he is, right, is keeping accurate records of his expenditures. Jimmy wants to know how much he is spending each month on average. Here are his records for the 3 months. So for March, what I'm going to basically do is take all of these and add it up. When I go ahead and add it up, right, his total expenditure when I add all these amounts up is $4,699.85. For April, when I add these up, right, when you add them up, you get 4,468.84. When you total the last one up, right, you get $4,709.92. Now, if I wanted to find his average expenditures, I'm going to basically take those amounts, 4699.85 plus 446 $4,468.84 plus $4,709.72. So that those all add up to $13,878.41. Divided by 3 would be he spends on average $4,626.14. Okay. Now, how much on groceries? Well, if I go and look at his grocery bill, right? He spent in March, he spent 173.82 plus the 189.89 plus the 252.09. When I add these amounts together, I get $615.80. And now, when you divide it by 3, it would be $205.27. Okay. Now, do me a favor, find his average for the electric bill, cell phone bill, and cable bill, and come back and check your answers. So his exact average electric bill is $80.54. Cell phone would be 109.68, and cable would be 84.67. Okay. Now, just to let you guys know, sometimes your electric company and your gas company will give you the ability to do what they call the budget program. Like in the winter, your gas bills tend to be much higher than in the summer months, and your electric bill in the summer ends up being more expensive in the summer than it is in the winter. So what they do is they take your average cost over the year, divide it by 12, and you would pay that same amount each month. Now there's pros and cons to that. One, you know how much you're paying every month, but two, you might have surplus money in the end, or you might be short money in the end. All right, just something to think about. Enjoy your day, and we'll talk to you soon.